welcome to Manifestation. Manifesting money is the most challenging part. Hello everyone, welcoming all to manifestingdreamadeasy.com. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to manifest money, and I'm sure that by the end of this video, you will be definitely coming to know how you can manifest money, and I'm sure that all your doubts will be clarified within this video. And also, if you are someone new, please consider in subscribing to my channel because it just motivates me to put the new videos for you guys. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification. If you are someone who has already subscribed and in my family, please don't forget to share and comment in this video because it just motivates me to put new and more informative videos for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. And before that, please watch this video till the end because in the end of this video, I am going to announce something big which can benefit you. Okay? So without wasting any time, let's dive in. The number one rule is know what you want. This is the most important thing, whether you are manifesting money, whether you are manifesting your soulmate, whether you are manifesting your apartment or your dream car, whatever you are manifesting, you should know what you want to manifest. You should know what you want to manifest, okay? So in most of the cases, I have seen that the people will say when you are manifesting money, they will be always saying that I want to manifest $1 billion. This is something that can never happen because first thing you have to know what is your current financial status. From there only you can slowly increase. If you are someone who is having $10,000 right now, then you can definitely go for manifesting 20 or 30, but not like you cannot manifest $1 billion all of a sudden, and this law of attraction will never work. Okay, so if you are someone, you have to know what you want to have. You should know what you want. It's not like for many people I have noticed that they just do this law of attraction as an experiment. Okay, that is definitely nice. You can do as an experiment. Sometimes experiment also works. But when they are practicing these experiments, even that time they have to practice in the right way. When you are practicing anything in the right way, then definitely you will be getting reward out of it. Okay, so here what you need to do is you need to know what you want to currently manifest. Know the exact amount of money that you want to manifest. By knowing the exact amount of money that you want to manifest completes our step number 1. Coming to the step number 2, in our step number 2 is nothing but the affirmations. So you might be asking me, what are these affirmations? My guys, the affirmations are nothing but the repetitive statements that one says again and again in order to reprogram their subconscious mind. If you are someone who has not watched my previous video, how to get rid of negative energy, I recommend you to watch this because there I have told a detailed description about everything regarding the subconscious mind. I will be putting the link in the description box and also in the top right corner of the I button. Click on that and you will be definitely taking out to that video. So what happens is this affirmation helps our mind to affirm. It will be making our mind to feel that yes, I am able to manifest this. If you are someone who want to manifest money, then by saying the affirmation again and again, it helps our mind to affirm. What it does means it raises our vibration instantly. It just neglects or avoid any blockage that can cause harm to our manifestation process. For regarding that purpose, I am asking you guys to practice breathing exercise or any yoga or something so that you can make your mind and your body to be aligned. Then I request you to practice this affirmation. Okay, so what you have to do in the affirmation is that early in the morning when you wake up, You can say this affirmation. The affirmation that you're taking, it must be short and it should be precise and clear. So what you have to do is you can say like this: I am so happy and grateful that I am a money magnet. I am so happy and grateful that money comes to me in increasing quantities. I am so happy and grateful that money always attracts me. Anything that you want, you can practice as an affirmation. Or this is my favorite one that I always used to practice. I will be giving the written part will be given in the description box. You can check it out. I align with the infinite abundance with the universe. I align with the infinite abundance with the universe. Or you can say like this: I am so grateful that money flows to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources. On saying these affirmations again and again, it makes our mind affirm that yes, we are capable of making money. Okay, so now you understood the step number 2, that is affirmation. The step number 3 is nothing but visualization. The visualization is the best method to manifest anything, whether you are manifesting your soulmate, whether you are manifesting money, whether you are manifesting a relationship, whatever you are manifesting, this visualization comes to a greater role. So how you should visualize? You have to visualize you yourself is going to the bank. You are taking off your money from the bank. Okay, you are giving or you can consider like you are getting your first paycheck. Okay, it can be from anywhere. You are getting your paycheck and you're so happy and you're jumping out of happiness. Either you can consider in this manner, or you can say like this, that you are having a lot of money and you are planning to take your family for the vacation, or you are moving out with your girlfriend to a place that you want to visit. You can incorporate anything that you want, but the foremost thing that you need to bring is the feeling. The feeling is the secret source in our visualization technique. Whatever you are manifesting in the through visualization process, just bring all the source of feeling. Whether you're jumping out of happiness, bring it on your face. When you're roaming out with your girlfriend or boyfriend, or he is or she is wanting you to offer something, you are buying and giving them. Then you are taking your parents with to a trip and all these things. Whichever thing that you want to incorporate, you can incorporate each and everything in this visualization. So this completes our step number 3, that is the visualization. And now coming to the step number 4, that is to trust the process. The trusting or believing is the very important thing in the manifestation process. Without the trust or the faith, no manifestation is going to work for you. And one more thing is, when you are manifesting, whatever you are manifesting, you should not become desperate that when will be able to manifest money. I have been manifesting money, but it's not coming. You should not become desperate. Instead, you should have the complete faith that I have done my manifestation process and I'm focused on my job right now, or whatever things you are doing right now. I'm sure that I will be definitely able to manifest the amount of money that I want to manifest, and just let it go like that. Just have a complete faith. Don't doubt on your manifestation process. Having doubt on your manifesting process is something that we can say like this: no, don't become the enemy of yourself. That is the task that you're doing. You should not become the enemy of yourself by doubting on the law of attraction or the thing that you're currently manifesting right now. So guys, by doing or by practicing these 4 methods, I'm sure that you can definitely manifest your money. Okay, and now coming to the end of this video, that I have already told you regarding the surprise. That is nothing but, if you are a YouTuber or if you are someone who is having your Instagram and wants to get noticed, what you need to do is you have to like to my channel and you have to subscribe to my channel. and after that you can send the screenshot of that into my mail ID, which I will be giving to you in the description box. From there you can send me the screenshot of your YouTube or your Instagram. Next time when I put my video, I will be introducing your YouTube channel or your Instagram into it, so that you will be getting notified. Okay guys, till then take care, stay tuned and bye bye.